Asanoeigo, monogatari listening. The morning train. It's early morning. The sun's just started coming up, and the world feels very quiet. I'm standing on the train platform. The air is a bit cold, and I can see my breath. Then I hear it. Rumble, 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 rumble. The morning train's coming. It's a long silver train with bright yellow doors. It slows down and stops right in front of me. The doors open with a soft whoosh. Inside, it's warm and peaceful. There aren't many people today. I find a seat by the window. The seat's soft and comfortable. I don't have a book, and I'm not looking at my phone. I'm just watching the world move past, right outside the window. I see small houses, green fields, a little river. Everything's moving so fast, but I feel very still. Across from me, there's an old man reading a newspaper, and a woman's wearing headphones, tapping her foot to a song I can't hear. Everyone's on their own little journey today. I love this time of day. It's a moment of peace before the busy day starts. The train's moving smoothly. The sun's getting higher in the sky. It's gonna be a good day. Thanks for listening.